If you spend any time on YouTube, you've probably fallen down the rabbit hole of map videos. Deep dives into borders, territorial disputes, and terrain are pulling in millions of views. This chart shows the exponential growth in viewership for map-based infotainment over just a 24-month period. These channels generate significant ad revenue, but historically, there was a high cost of entry. Producing these videos meant you had to master complex professional software like Adobe After Effects. Look at this wireframe of a traditional animation setup. You're looking at layers of timelines, dozens of Bezier curves, and hours of manual work just to track a single camera move over a mountain range. Now, a new wave of creators is bypassing that entire manual workflow. They are using a stack of free AI tools to generate these same animations in a few minutes. Every successful video starts with the same requirement: finding a proven topic that has high search volume but very few competitors. This scatter plot shows how a market research tool called NextLev isolates these opportunities. It scans YouTube's backend data to find the exact geography topics that are currently underserved. Once you have that niche, you can use ChatGPT to instantly draft a structured educational script based on those specific data points. But the script is only half the battle. Historically, robotic text-to-speech audio would cause viewers to drop off the video immediately. 11 Labs bridges that gap. It converts the text into a realistic human performance, with natural pacing and inflections that hold a viewer's attention. Within minutes, you've moved from a blank page to a fully researched, professionally voiced audio track. Now we reach the visual hurdle. This is where we use Hera. It's an AI tool designed specifically to generate high-quality geography visuals inside a browser. Hera instantly highlights country borders and executes smooth camera sweeps across the globe without setting keyframes. This tool effectively acts as a visual effects department in your browser, letting anyone replicate studio-grade visuals with zero animation experience. The final step is assembly. You take the audio and the Hera animations and bring them into CapCut to finalize the project. CapCut is essential here because it can instantly generate dynamic captions, keeping the viewer engaged by giving them something to read while they watch. You then add cinematic transitions and layered sound effects to tie the entire sequence together. You are a director stacking automated components into a finished product. High-quality map animations are now accessible. The technical side of the production has been commoditized. A machine can now handle the heavy lifting that used to require years of software training. In this environment, your competitive advantage comes down to your ideas, your ability to curate interesting stories and orchestrate these tools effectively. The automated pipeline is ready, and the tools are available. All that's left is to start the first project.